Welcome to Abedo TV Online Money, where we turn knowledge into profit. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on Binance so you can avoid unnecessary crypto losses and protect your investments. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on powerful crypto tips and tutorials like this you're about to watch now. Let's get started. Now you can see we are at the home page of Binance Exchange. So this is the home page of the Binance Exchange. If you log into your Binance on your mobile device, so it will take you to this interface. This is the home page. So at the drop down menu of this home page, we have the home and the market, the trade, the future, and the wallet. So let me highlight them one after the other for you so that you can see it clearly, understand what I am saying. So this is the home, this is the market. I will be doing a topic on all this session one after the other for you. Please, that is why you must subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my video. That is the trade, this is the future, and this is the wallet. This trade, under this trade, this is where we are going to be setting our stop loss under that trade. So we are going to tap on that trade so that it will take us to another session of the Binance. So let's tap on it. I'll tap on the trade. So for the sake of this tutorial, I have transferred some amount of ETC coin to my wallet so that I can be able to use it to perform this task for you, to set it stop loss. So anytime I'm doing my video, I don't do it to some part and tell you this is how you are going to complete it. I will make sure I do everything from beginning to the ending. So if you find any value with this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will always be notified anytime I upload my video. So let's wait for this system to load. I think the network is not too strong at this time. Let's wait for it to load. So now this is the interface of the trade section. So we are going to set stop loss with this our ETC. Assuming, let me be highlighting everything that I'm saying for you so that you can always understand it. Here is the amount of the ETC that we have will show up. This limit is where we are. This limit where this very place is where we are going to be choosing the option of stop loss. So we are going to we will put ETC on sale before we set our stop loss. So this is the current amount that the ETC market, the ETC coin is trading at this particular time of this video. So assuming we've made enough gain with this ETC, and at this particular time the ETC is selling at $33.45. So maybe maybe if ETC have done well in this season, I feel like the market might fall at any time, or if Bitcoin fall, automatically every other coin will normally go down the same way. So if I want to set my stop loss to prevent myself from losing anytime the market is falling, so what I will do, I will come to this limit, this very place, and choose the option of stop limit. So let me bring out the option art. So I'll tap on I'll just click on this arrow. Sorry, please, I'll leave it on sale. I will I will tap on the arrow, so you can see different options have already come out. You see the limit, the market, the stop limit, stop market, the trailing stop, OCO, and Argo order. So all these are different functions, and they have their different work. The limit is when you want to buy at a certain price. That's when you set it at limit. So we are not going to be talking on those sections. So we be talking with the stop limit. Let me highlight it for you. We will be selecting this option, stop limit. This is where we will set our stop loss. So let's tap on that stop limit. We'll tap on it. So you can see the interface have already changed. So now, assuming the ETC is selling at 33.43 cents at this particular time, so maybe I am thinking that the market might fall at any time, or if the market decide to fall, because you cannot predict the cryptocurrency market. So I will want to set my stop loss at 31. If the market fall to 31, automatically, whether I'm on the market or not, the market will automatically sell for me. So to set my stop loss, the first thing I will do, you see we have different options here. We have the stop limit. That is where I change it to the option of the stop loss. So now we will type it that we are selling our ETC to USDT anytime. The two pair market is between ETC and USDT. So when we are selling our ETC, it's going to set to USDT, which is the United USD Tata. That is the stable coin of the cryptocurrency market. So let me highlight it for you so you can actually see it. This very box, this place is where we are going to set our stop loss, and this is where we are going to be choosing our limits. So these two options is going to be represented with different price. So under the stop loss, we will set it on at. We set it at when the market fall to 31. Let me put it there. When the market fall to 31.50 cents. So we will we set the limit at 31 point, let me say 40. So automatically what I am saying here is that anytime I'm not on the market and the market decided to fall to this 31.50, it will trigger the limit price and it will set to my market, and the coin will automatically sell at 31.40. So we are going to sell all our ETC. So we'll just have to choose the option of sell all. So if you are selling portion of it, you set it. You have 25%, 50%. We are selling the 100%. You just draw this arrow and scroll it to the end. So we are selling all. You can see it. We are selling all. So we have the amount of $24 of ETC point something. So now when we will be selling at that 31, it will be selling at 21.98 because we are selling at 31. So the next option, we'll click on sell. We'll tap on the sell button. You can see it's another option as pop part. So let's see what they are telling us. It said ETC/USDT stop limit order for sale. Say stop 31.50 USDT. So the limit is 31.40 USDT. That is when the market falls to 31.50 USDT, automatically it will set to, we will be selling at 31.40. So when the market falls to 31.50 cents, it will automatically trigger the market, and we will be selling at 31.40. So we'll click on confirm. That's it, guys. You can see that we have already set our stop loss. Let me highlight it for you so that you can see it. You can see it that it has already set ETC against the USDT. You can see it. So you can see the price. You can see the condition. You can see we are selling at the trigger price is 31.50, where we will be selling to 31.40. So that is how you can actually set your stop loss to protect yourself against any falling of to currency market or any coin that you are holding currently now that is bullish in case when the market is falling, so that even when you are on the market or not, you can wage yourself to avoid excess of loss. So please, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button in case anytime I always upload any video, YouTube will notify you. I will also be doing other good topic on many things related to cryptocurrency. Please, you can also share and like. Thank you, guys.